Hello everybody, welcome to the榎木laboratory. My name is Edgar Santiago Galicia and I am from Mexico. I just received my PhD degree under the supervision of Professor榎ki. Today, I would like to introduce our laboratory. First, I would like to introduce what is our research, and second, I would like to show you the real experiment apparatus. Firstly, let me explain you about our laboratory. This laboratory consists on a total of 4 staff members, including Professor榎ki, 3 researchers. One of them is a post-PhD who belongs to the GSPS, 1 secretary, in addition to 3 doctoral students, including 1 worker from JAXA, 3 master students, as well as 3 bachelor students. And in addition, we have 2 researchers students.榎ki Laboratory offers a friendly environment to research and international students. Actually, we have in our laboratory students from Mexico, Indonesia, Cambodia, and China. So, I would like to introduce then our topic research. Firstly, let me start telling you about our research. Our research has been published in some international magazines, in particular case of the EEES magazine, which is an important and famous science magazine in the world. Our research was published on their website on October of the 2021. So, what is the main goal of our laboratory? Well, in fact, as a society, right now we are facing 3 main problems, and the 3 main problems are the next one. First is the global warming. The second one is the SDGs that we need to follow, and the next one is the power density increment for the development of new technologies. First, in the global warming, we need to be worried about the GWP, which is the global warming potential. So, taking in consideration these 3 points, we perform our research to make a better and sustainable society. Taking in consideration what I mentioned, achieving the neutral carbon is important in our research. So these 3 main goals need to be considered in our research. Our research is divided in 3 main topics. The first topic is the microchannels. The second one is the sintered microfibers, and the third one is the mixed refrigerants. Actually, our research is made in collaboration with companies such as Maekawa, Honda, Mitsubishi Materials, and Daikin. In addition, we have also collaborations with some national institutions such as JAXA, GSPS, and NEDO. Our research provides equipment for making the analysis in both phases. The first phase is the experimental way. So we offer gas chromatography, Leica digital microscopes, and high-speed cameras to analyze the real phenomena on the boiling processes. Actually, for the simulation, we also have a supercomputer, NEG XX Aurora Tsubasa, and we have also workstations and simulation softwares such as MSC Stream. To start talking about the first research topic on this laboratory is about the microchannels. The microchannels consist on making new technologies, and the shape and the dimensions of the channel change in order to avoid the vapor blankets in the normal microchannels. Actually, this research is made in collaboration with Maekawa. The next topic is the mixed refrigerants. Actually, as I mentioned before, the global warming potential is a relevant factor that we need to consider and develop of new refrigerants. In our laboratory, we are studying the mixed refrigerants. In fact, the refrigerants that we are mixing is R32, in addition with another non-toxic refrigerants with a GPW almost about 0. Finally, the last research that we perform in this laboratory is the analysis of the heat transfer using high porosity sintered fibers. Actually, this research has been published in also several countries as an innovation on the thermal engineering. Actually, using this sintered fiber, as we can appreciate on the figure on the right, filled as a tube heat exchanger filled with the sintered porous materials. In fact, as we can see on the graph, the reduction using sintered fiber is around 120 Celsius. But when we use the non-filled pipe, we reduce the temperature just around 40 Celsius. This one actually is a big innovation on the thermal engineering field. So, everybody, this is our three topics of the research in the榎木laboratory. Finally, I will show you the experiments conducted in the simulation way and in the experimental way. Actually, we can confirm our experimental results with the analysis on the computer fluid dynamics. The good relation shows that our experiments are in good relation with the analysis. In the particular case of the porous sintered fiber materials, we can take in consideration that in just a dimension of 25 millimeters, we can reduce drastically the temperature from a fluid. So, finally, I would like to tell you about our students also has been working in some important international Japanese companies such as Nissan, Toyota, Daikin, Kubota, Mitsubishi Materials, Chiyoda, to mention some of them. So everybody, thank you so much for listening and welcome to the榎木Laboratory.